Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yo, today I got a surprise for you guys. We got a lot going on. We got a big car show we're going to today. It's gonna be a whole lot of cars. I mean a lot. But yo, stay tuned, guys. I got surprises for you. It's so much. It's gonna be a long video today, guys. Letting you know now. Stay tuned. As you guys can see, I'm in a fucking intersection. You guys will never believe this. I fucking got in an accident. This is what happened. This car pulled in front of me. I tried to swerve and fucked my tire up. Oh, I'm so mad. But my boy's here, believing in his Supra. I still decided to go to the meet. I'm a little pissed right now, but my insurance is gonna cover it. My car will be up in probably a couple weeks, probably a little bit more, who knows, but I'll get my car back. But we came to the car wash, washing the car. Little Jeep section, we just got here, guys.
The Supra, you know what the fuck going on.
Well, it's gonna be a movie today, guys.
Look at that. He's drifting sideways in the BRZ.
Alright, yo, we're gonna get in there soon, guys.
We're gonna get some fucking good footage today. Popcorn. Cash on me?
No, I don't need that cash. I tried to get it from the ATM. The ATM was at. Oh! Alright, yo, we gotta go get fucking cash. Oh, it's annoying. But we'll find somewhere to go. Take two. We're pulling in again. We got cash.
How do you not take card or have cash app? I don't, this is 2020, people.
Yeah, that was kind of dumb, but we're back.
Can't lie, I don't want to tax that bread though. You know? I don't blame you. I really don't.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a good one today, guys. This $20 better be worth it. It will be worth it. It will be worth it. For what we see, $20 seems worth it. But we're definitely hitting the food truck first because we're starving. We're still gonna eat. And after that accident, kind of lost my appetite, but I'm hungry again, and I'm not really too worried about my car because insurance is gonna take care of it. But stay tuned, guys. I'll see you guys when we get in there. Hold up.
Nice car though. Here you go.
Thank you.
Cool car, man.
Look at that, dude. Come on, get that right now. Pretty valid. Wait till I'm back. Yo, I turned in. Where are you? Where are you?
Yo.
Yeah, where are you?
Alright guys, we just got here. We're about to start walking around. The food truck's actually way over there, so we're gonna catch some cars before on our way over there to the food truck. But let's walk around. Oh my god. Full cage.
Color, purple. Ever since I did shrooms, it's just the purple.
Yeah, I love the purple in it too. Front wheel drive. One thing I can say is the cleanest Honda I've ever seen. This one is clean.
Like a candy
another one. Fully built. Like the pure white honey bottle. Oh, I love the green. If you can see it, it's sparkling. I don't know if you guys can see it. Carbon fiber. All I know, it's a Golf. I don't know which Golf it is. I like the little splash they have over here. Splash is cute.
Splash of white right there.
Got the Japanese flowers on the side. I love it. The gold.
You don't want to hit
This Beamer is clean. I don't know why. I always like the trunk at the top. I always love that. I love how they have the Tiger inside. The NRGs. NRG. Also steering wheel. Looks like he has two 10s back there. E46. Cut out the E46 in there. It's pretty cool. He's on bags. Oh my god, we got some Type R's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Ooh, the black on black. The white. The red. Oh my god, I love the red. Oh my god, I love the red. Let's go around the front. The red is so sick though. Oh, the yellow's I like the yellow. Ooh, the yellow puts on a little touch. And that's very aggressive. I love that. Oh, we have carbon fiber around the front right there. That's really nice. Ooh, carbon fiber all front hood. And check out the seats. All the new Type R's come with those seats. Sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. The rose gold. Lady driver. I'm in love. And she changed the, you can see she changed the wing. I love it. Check out the last one on the end.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Type R crew right here, sitting out, hanging out. What's up, guys? I love the green wheels.
You got that loud too,
Yeah, this Type R is tough. Oh my god, look at the interior of this. You got TVs in the back, trays, champagne on ice. Oh my god, my favorite color. And yo, letting you guys know that's a $2,000 wing right there. So clean. Check out the front. So clean. Look, he's on the ground. He's on the ground. There's barely any space. Look, my finger can just fit in there. Love the seats. Oh, you got a racing helmet in there. You know we have to get the EVOx. Check out the Lexus. going on, bro?
What's up?
She got the fresh Yeezys on, bro.
Sometimes.
I see you, bro. Got the new chain on, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know this your car right here and all that.
It's not my car.
Where's your car at then? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, show me a little something. I know you're on bags already. Oh, seats are mint. I like it. Oh, someone learned stick? Oh my God, look at that.
Sold all my paintball shit and that's it.
Sold all your paintball shit?
Yeah, I have paintball now.
Damn.
Why, you still go?
Look how aggressive them shits are. Oh my God. If I touch it, would it cut me? Ah! No. This shit right here is sexy as fuck. Oh my God, I'm in love. This shit is sexy. Ooh, lady driver. This shit is so clean. Look at the inside. I love the purple. So another purple. Oh man. Look at the flowers in the interior. Alright guys, before we head down there, the food truck's right there, and you got some drifting going on over there, so we're gonna check out over there also.
Look at this fucking thing. You guys know I had to get food. We got a hamburger, but we're gonna eat while we watch the drift. Looks like a Ford Lightning. Oh, the Jeep section.
Puda, you the GOAT, boy.
Caught up with the Ford Lightning. This shit is mint. Oh look, we got another Ford Lightning. Look at this.
Puda, you the GOAT, boy.
do I know y'all? Do I know y'all?
I think I just met you.
I was wondering where the fuck you guys were at.
Yo, I didn't even see. Yo, I'm looking for.
Woo! Evo! Oh. Check out the cool color Veloster. Oh, he looks tight. Yeah, I wanna go home.
Loose soul going crazy. Don't shake a bonnet of fabric. Rock a shelf, throw them racks in the attic. VVS, I'ma jump out the paddock. You niggas be bro, that shit trash. If I'm fly, my bitch got a match. Smoking big dope, you niggas can't match. I can't talk on the phone, I'm in traffic. I'm too young to be fucking with marriage. Accumulate, hold a whole lot of carrots. Boy, I used to be broken and embarrassed. Now I'm on the G5 out of Paris. In Margiela, a whole lot of madness. In my hood, it's a whole lot of sadness. Tryna run up them racks in the vanish. Through the pain, I ain't know how to manage. Now I'm using it to my advantage. For the bitches who took me for granted. They can't stop me, this shit was organic. I'm so high on a whole nother planet. See me winning, I know she can't stand it. In the trap with the killers and bandits. Tryna follow the tip, crack commandments. I was made for this shit, I ain't planning. Fell in love and that hoe let me stranded. Niggas plotting, I ride with a candy. If I love you, then you my companion. If you love me, don't leave me abandoned. Run it up, turn the trap to a mansion. In the streets, if you want it, demand it. You ain't from it, you won't understand it. Boy, I came in the bitch and be handy. Rockin' dough, shake a bonnet. Bitch, I'm hot like a sauna. Spit them rest with my partner. The streets made me a must. They don't want me to prosper. Ain't no stake, ain't no loss. Used to trap at that mouse. Gotta ride with that chopper. Yeah, niggas be capping, nigga that acting. They need a Oscar. I'm rockin' Velon, I'm rockin' bait, but Kudo Matata. No matter the situation, boy, I got you. In the future, I'ma fuck up a comma. My bitch, she bad, she look like Madonna. Oh, nigga took it to Benihana. Tryna stay away from all of the drama. New crib on the hill for my mama. Get a Bentley, get that shit to my father. Move solid, if you don't, you a gunner. No drip, Gucci snake on the collar. Ball main, feel God with the bummer. Ball hard, bitch, I feel like the mamba. He in my heart, but that shit is an honor.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in, guys. We're gonna get a little bit more of this drifting, and then I'm gonna head out. My battery's about to die, so we've been out here all day, but let's get some more of this drifting going. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Have a nice day, rest of your day, or have a rest of your good night if it's nighttime whenever you're watching this. Enjoy your day, guys.